Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here, you're probably trying to get a verification code for Clash of Clans. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will walk you through the process step by step so you can get back to playing your favorite game. Let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Then open your Clash of Clans application. After opening your application, tap onto the gear icon from the down right corner of your screen. In order to get the verification code, you have to link your account with Gmail, which I have already done. So I'm going to show you how to link your account with Gmail. Tap onto the Supercell ID, tap onto the gear icon. As you can see, I have already linked my Gmail. So for you guys, I'm going to show you how to link your Gmail. In order to get the verification code, you have to log into the Supercell ID and you have to enter your Gmail ID and tap into the login. After selecting login, the email linked to your Supercell ID will get a verification code. Now open the email inbox associated with your Supercell ID. Look for an email from Supercell. The subject line will usually say your Supercell ID verification code, and it might take a minute or two to arrive. So be patient. Once you have received the code, go back to the Clash of Clans app and enter it in the verification field and tap submit and you are good to go. And that's it. This is how you get verification code of Clash of Clans. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.